heartbreaking, heart-wrenching.
I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know what I gotta say. I think we're onto something.
Sometimes you wonder why the traffic's backed up when you're in traffic, and then you start looking to figure out why. And this is going to be a really unfortunate status, and I just don't even know what to say. It's heartbreaking, heart-wrenching, and it looks like they've got kids involved too. That was probably a 30-foot bullet trailer being pulled by a Cadillac Escalade. And again, it just goes to show there are limitations to what your vehicle can tow. There are limitations to what it should tow. There are limitations to what it can brake. Probably braking's the biggest thing. And then anti-sway devices. Understanding where the brake controller is, if things get out of hand, that you hit the brake controller first. Just sad. Total for all the vehicles, obviously, and the kids looks like they were in their car seats because the car seats are out there, and they're all sitting talking on the phone. So hopefully they're all okay. I didn't see ambulances, but somebody's having a bad day on what should have been a great day to go on vacation. So remember, please be careful out there. Take your time, slow down, and especially when you're towing, speed kills. I never try to pull any faster than 65, and generally I set the cruise control at 62. And I always leave a large gap between me and the car in front of me. A lot of people like to dive in and fill that gap up, but that's my safety gap. So, if we're told and taught that we leave one car length for every 10 miles an hour, if you're pulling or towing, you want to make sure that that's probably 2 car lengths for every 10 miles an hour, because things happen so fast and so quickly, and the vehicle just doesn't come to a stop like it. That's when you're not pulling. So remember, adventure lies at every turn. I just don't think that's kind of the adventure they were looking for. So come join us on the adventure, and let's learn our important lessons together, so that we avoid situations like that. That's heartbreaking and tragic.
Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead.